Isn't it true, Ms. Heard, that you previously confessed and apologized to Johnny Depp for committing domestic violence against him?
It's not fair. It's not right what she did and what happened.
Ranked among the top 10 highest-grossing movie stars of all time, Johnny Depp is back in court again. At the height of his career, he was earning as much as $70 million a year, now only caught up in a $100 million court case. This isn't the first time Johnny Depp and Amber Heard have been in court. In a trial that started on the 11th of April 2022, Johnny Depp is trying to refute career-damaging allegations that he abused Amber Heard during their marriage. For us to understand what is going on, we need to go back to 2012. Johnny Depp and Amber Heard start dating in 2012 after meeting on the set of The Rum Diary in 2011. In March 2014, after months of speculation, Johnny and Amber get engaged, and 11 months later, the couple get married. But no less than 15 months later, Amber Heard files for divorce from Johnny Depp. How in 15 months could things escalate so quickly? Their relationship cited irreconcilable differences and mutual abuse. Amber had written in the divorce filing, "During the entirety of our relationship, Johnny has been verbally and physically abusive to me. I endured excessive emotional, verbal, and physical abuse from Johnny, which has included angry, hostile, humiliating, and threatening assaults to me whenever I questioned his authority or disagreed with him." That same month, a judge grants Amber a restraining order against Depp over allegations of domestic violence. In a sworn declaration, Amber alleges that Depp threw a smartphone at her during a fight, which struck her in the eye and the cheek, and that he screamed at her, hit her, violently grabbed her face, and pulled her hair. Amber writes, "I live in fear that Johnny will return, unannounced to terrorize me, physically and emotionally." After months of contentious proceedings, Johnny and Amber reach a settlement in their divorce. The pair say in a joint statement, "Our relationship was intensely passionate and at times volatile, but always bound by love. Neither party has made false accusations for financial gain. There was never any intent of physical or emotional harm." Amber pledges to donate the $7 million from Johnny to the American Civil Liberties Union. And in January 2017, the divorce was made official. Everything had been sorted, and the past 5 years was put away behind them. In April 2018, The Sun releases an article with the headline, "How can J.K. Rowling be genuinely happy casting wife-beater Johnny Depp in the new Fantastic Beasts film?" Johnny Depp sues the newspaper, but would eventually lose the case. 6 months later, on the 18th of December 2018, Amber Heard publishes an article in the Washington Post titled, "I spoke up against sexual violence and faced our culture's wrath. That has to change." In the article, she goes on to say, "Like many women, I had been harassed and sexually assaulted by the time I was of college age, but I kept quiet. Then 2 years ago, I became a public figure representing domestic abuse, and I felt the full force of our culture's wrath for women who speak out." Although Depp was not mentioned by name, it was clear that it was about him. March 2019, Johnny Depp files a $50 million lawsuit against Heard, alleging she defamed him in the Washington Post article. In August 2020, Amber Heard countersues. She filed a $100 million countersuit against Depp in response to his lawsuit, which accused her of allegedly orchestrating a smear campaign against her. Starting on the 11th of April 2022, Johnny Depp and his lawyers must, under the United States law, reach a higher burden of proof, showing that Amber not only defamed him, but did so with malice. Depp's lawyers claim Heard orchestrated an elaborate hoax to cripple Depp's career. Throughout the case, they plan to introduce witness testimonies and review texts and photographs, whilst being streamed live. Big names such as Paul Bettany, James Franco, and Elon Musk are all expected to appear in court and speak on Amber's behalf. Amber is sure to repeat claims of verbal and physical abuse, and in return, Depp will probably return to his assertions that Amber was the aggressor and has fabricated her account as a victim for financial and reputational gain. "It's going to be a circus," said journalist Cooper Lawrence. The trial comes at a very sensitive time for Depp, who has seen film parts dry up. This might be Johnny Depp's last opportunity to recover his career. You simply can't work with him now. He's radioactive. He's been dropped out of the franchises Pirates of the Caribbean and The Fantastic Beasts. Now, he's only appeared in relatively small-budget movies. He starred in City of Lies and Minamata, which have collectively made $5 million. So far, we have heard shocking allegations, seen witnesses break down, and awful photos. 5 days in, a lot more needs to be discussed before this case can finally end.